Hi friends, today we are going to see time and work method. Okay, now we are going to see the problems. Actually, I took these questions from TNPC itself. Okay, I am actually these questions are took from TNPC exams previous questions. This question is come from TNPC questions group 4 and 2019. This first question, actually all the questions I took from the TNPC questions, previous questions only. Okay, I used some small tricks to solve this problem easily. Okay, I will teach you. Okay, I actually split this time and work two methods. This is a first method. This time and work questions is first method. I split this time and work in method 1 and method 2. I will teach you the second method in another video. Okay, the for this time and work method 1, I will go give one small tricks for this for you. Okay, this is a TNPC previous question. Okay, okay, shall we move on to the questions? Here, A can do a piece of work in 20 days and B can do it in 30 days. How long will they take to do the work together? They ask like this. Okay. In this question, for time and work questions, use some small trick. I told you, no. I tell you. Okay. You most all the questions, whatever they ask like this method in time and work, use the same tricks for all the method of questions what they give. Okay, okay, first of all I tell you your tricks. After that we will go to on the questions. Okay, first is tricks is whatever questions they give, whatever values they give, you use this same tricks. Here two values in the questions, you have a two values. So you saw the two value means you put that value in numerator, multiply that value. Okay, you always multiply the numerator value. What they give a two value means you multiply that value in numerator. Okay, in the denominator only they change will come. Okay, because of that question only it will change will come. Here in for example in this questions they give together. Okay, together means you use that same value in the denominator. What the value you use in the numerator, use that same value in denominator. You use that addition, you add that value. Okay, if they ask together means you add that value. If they ask B alone, A alone means you use the minus value. You use that value minus in the denominator. Okay, shall we move on to the problem? Then only you clearly you will never get confused. Okay, you will clear. Okay, shall we move on to the problem? Here A can do a piece of work in 20 days, B can do it in 30 days. How long will take they do the work together? Okay, here they give two values. I told you, no, they give in the all questions they give two values only for this time and work. Okay, for this time and work always they give two values. Okay, here two values they give. A value is 20, B value is 30. Automatically you do this one. That is, I told you, multiply the value, two value in the numerator. Okay, you multiply that value in numerator. You add that value in denominator. This is a small tricks. This tricks is used for all the method of this time and work problem. Okay. Okay, you multiply this value, you will get a 600, and if you add that value means you will get a 50. If you cross it means you will get a answer is 12. Okay, they take the time 12 days to do that work together. Okay, 12 days is the answer. Okay, you just use the small tricks only here. You multiply the two value in the numerator, you add that 2 value in the denominator. This is a small trick. Please don't forget this trick for this type of question. That is time and work. For this type of question, use this same tricks for all the questions. Okay, whatever questions they give, you use this tricks. Just there is a small changes will come according to the question only. Okay, shall we move on to the next question? You will get a clearness. Okay. Okay, next question. A and B together do a piece of work in 2 days, 12 days, but A alone can do it 20 days. What? A and B together do a piece of work in 12 days, but A alone can do it in 20 days. How many days would B alone take to do the same work? Here also they give 2 value. Okay, you just take the 2 value. I told you, no, you take the 2 value, whatever they give, you take that 2 value. Okay, you multiply, you just multiply that value in the numerator. I told you. Okay, how many days would B alone take to do the same work? Okay, here's a small twist is here. If they ask like this method, if they ask B alone, A alone means just you minus that value, minus that 2 value. Okay, in last problem they ask together. Okay, you add that value. Here they ask B alone. In the question, the same model, if they ask B alone, A alone means you just do this thing only. Okay, you automatically the value 2 value, you in the numerator you always multiply that 2 value. In this problem, in denominator you always multiply that value. In numerator you minus that value. Okay, you minus that 20 minus 12. Okay, if you simplify this means you will get a 30 days. Okay, B alone take a time in 30 days to do the work, same work. Okay, this is the answer. 30 days is answer. In denominator you use a minus. Why you use a minus here? They ask B alone, A alone means you use minus that 2 value in denominator. Okay. Okay, this is a small thing you will change. That's why, that's all. Always you multiply the 2 value in numerator. Okay, you multiply the value in numerator, you just minus the value 2 value in denominator. Why you minus the value here means they ask in the question B alone. A alone means you minus the 2 value in the denominator. Okay, this is a small thing, small changes when compared to the last problem. This is a small changes. Okay. Okay. Okay, shall we move on to the third question? In this problem they give 3 values, 3 numbers, that is A, B, C. Okay, A efficiency, B efficiency and C. Okay, C, 3 values they give. Okay, here A and B, you just take, I told you, you just take 2 value first. Okay, here 6 into 12, that is A value is 12. A and B can do the work is 6 days. Okay, you take that value. 12, next value B and C is 12. Okay, you first of all you take 2 values. Whatever I told you, no, here they give together, so we will use the addition in denominator. You add the value in denominator, so 6 plus 12. So we simplify means we will get a 4. Okay, next we will take C and A. Okay, 4. Here we get an answer 4. No, you take that value. 2 value, you need 2 value. No, you take this value. 4. Same thing for all the problem. For whatever they give 3 values, the same thing you have to do. Okay, no changes. Same tricks you have to work on this type of method. Okay, 4 into 4 divided by 4 plus 4. So we will get an answer 2 days. Okay. We will get answer 2 days. Okay. They ask together, no. So that only we will find that value. 3, that is A and B and C together they ask. So we will simplify the value. We take a plus B plus C equal to 2. Here 2, no, we will we found the 2 value, no. So here you put 2. They ask a plus, they ask a and B, so you put A B plus B and C plus C and A. Okay, what we will find? Okay, 2 into here we find, no, A plus B plus C equal to 2, so you put 2 for that. Okay, 2 into 2 equal to 0. So you commonly you take 2 here, because we having 2A, 2B, 2C, so commonly we will take a 2 here. So we put A plus B plus C here equal to what? So here A plus B plus C value is what? Here we found. So 2, you put that 2, so 2 into 2, 4. So 4 days. 4 days is the answer for this question. 4 days is the answer for this question. You use the same tricks. Here what I teach you, same tricks you use for like this problem. Use the same tricks for this problem. Whatever they change B, here they, if they give B and A and C, here C and A, if they give like this, means whatever they change, for this method you use the same tricks what I teach you here. Okay, same method you use. For this method, same tricks you have to use. Okay, you will get a answer. Okay, next question we will move. For the next question, they will ask like this question only. A tap can fill the empty tank in 15 minutes. Another tap can empty the same tank within 20 minutes. In starting, tank is empty. When two taps are open at the same time, how much time it will take to fill? Okay, one tap is fill the tank. Another tap is empty that tank. Okay, in starting tank is empty. Here is the tank, you imagine. Okay, here is the tank, here is the tap. One tap is fill the tank, another tap is empty the tank. Okay, in between that time, how much time it will take the water fill the tank? Okay, in starting tank is empty. When two taps are open at the same time, how much time it will take to fill? Okay, this is the questions they ask. So shall we move on to the problem to solve? Okay, here I told you two values are given here, 15 and 20. Okay, you take that 15 into 20. Okay, next they ask there is a two tap. One is fill the tank, another one is empty the tank. There is a empty the tank is asked, so we will put a minus symbol in the denominator. Always you multiply in the numerator, so don't mind it. In denominator you use the subtraction, you subtract that two value. Okay, use a minus symbol, because here is a empty tank, not together. Here they didn't give together, both they didn't give, so that only we use the minus here. There is a empty, that is negative, there is an empty, so minus that 15 minus 20, we minus the two value in the denominator. We get the answer is 60 minutes. So we convert into hour, means 1 hour. So 1 hour is the answer for this question. Okay, use the same tricks what I teach you in last questions. You use the same tricks. Okay, these are all the types. Hereafter there is no types to ask in time and work method 1. Okay, all the questions I solved for you. Okay, you please, you use this tricks for this time and work. You actually consume your time in examination. It is very easy to solve. Okay, use my tricks. Okay, thank you.